The tower, NOBLE42, emergency.
NOBLE42, Fresno Tower, report midfield downwind.
NOBLE42, roger, and confirm both the approach and departure and cables are strong on 29 right.
Roger, I'm trying to lift them actually both right now. The short field arresting cable is rigged in battery 1,500 feet from threshold, and so is the long field gear.
NOBLE42, copy. NOBLE42, emergency, just letting you know here, we've got live missiles on board the jet.
NOBLE42, roger. They're not hung, right? They're just live.
Affirm, just live missiles, not hung. 2 on the go.
NOBLE42, roger. I have the other cable available. Do you want to land long? Do you want to set up for 1-1 to take that one?
NOBLE42, does the other runway also have?
No, this runway has the cable, but it's short field, so it's about, say, 1,200 feet from landing threshold, runway 11.
And do you have any strike or F15s airborne?
I have no F-15s airborne. At this time, Lemoore is bearing 180 at 29 miles. They have one good runway with two E-28 bidirectionals.
Copy.
Do you want the, I also have the cable for 1-1 right. That one is, or 1-1 left. That's available as well.
Copy. What are the winds right now on 1-1 left?
Winds are 050 at 3. Winds calm.
Let's do it.
Sounds good. You want to set up for the straight in?
Affirm. We'll set up for the straight in.
Noble 1-1, roger. You can make a left teardrop into runway 11 left.
Copy. Confirm you have no chase aircraft airborne.
I have no chase aircraft airborne. I might have a Lemoore Hornet if I can find one.
Noble 1-1, copies.
Noble 4-2, let's just do the inspection first. If I can get a Lemoore plane, let's try that. How about a low approach over Bravo taxiway for gear inspection?
Noble 4-2, copies.
Question, did the cable break or did we just miss the cable?
I thought I saw you take it. I think it snapped.
And Noble 4-2, we're approaching the airfield. Stand by for the check.
Noble 4-2, roger, midfield, stand by.
We're going to make a left-hand turn here.
Noble 4-2, what am I looking for? I got, see the hook, and I'm looking at 3 down.
Copy, that's all we need.
Noble 4-2, say fuel remaining in minutes.
We've got about 10 minutes, 15 minutes maximum.
Noble 4-2, roger. Yeah, Lemoore's on a 180 drive at 30 miles if you have to bolt her again.
Noble.
Okay, Noble 4-2, check wheels down, check hook down. It's already down. I've got to say it anyways. Runway 11 left, clear to land. Cable indicates up. Use caution. Spotted cable, long field, 10,000 feet from threshold.
Noble 1-1, copies. We've got gear down, hook down, caution for pod.
Noble 4-2, winds are calm.
Noble.
Noble 4-2, I have 2 F-18s inbound for inspection if you need it, unless you want to land now.
Noble 4-2, we're going to land right now.
Send them to me anyways.
All right, you're Mike. Well, want to keep them headed towards us until we're able to get safely on the ground and go for it.
Noble 4-2, thank you. That's the plan.
Noble 4-2, short, final, 1-1 left.
Roger. You can't slow down a little more. That gear can't take anything over 180.
Affirm.
Cable, cable, cable. Bolter. Jury 1-1, F-15 boltered. He's probably going to go to Navy Lemoore.
Jury 1-1, copy Sala. I got him in sight on the session go here.
Roger. Noble 4-2, you want Jury 1-1 to escort you to Navy Lemoore?
Affirm. Give me a vector.
Noble 4-2, roger. Turn right, heading 180. Climb maintain 7,000.
Noble 1-4-2, emergency 180, 7,000.
Jury 1-1, you can join up with Noble 4-2. He's going to climb to 7 on a heading of 180, divert to Navy Lemoore. Can you let...
Just keep him.
Hey, all right. Lemoore, Fresno, emergency inbound.
Noble 1-1, I'm at your right at 10 o'clock, 7:25. 20 cover part
Lemoore, Fresno.
248.7.
I got an emergency inbound. Noble 4-2, F-15, needs an arrested landing. Hydraulic failure, min fuel. Jury 1-1, Flight 2 is escorting.
Roger.
Well, Noble 4-2, Navy Lemoore knows about you. Continue inbound, maintain VFR, report the jury's in sight. Flight 2 F-15s are heading to your right. Jury 1-1, if you want, you can descend and make a right 360 for chase or escort.
Jury 1-1, look out.
Noble 4-2, Lemoore is landing 3-2 and 1-4. Do you want a 1-4 straight in?
Noble 4-2, affirm.
Lemoore, Fresno.
Any more?
Noble 4-2 wants 1-4. Which runway do you have? 1-4 left or right?
1-4 left.
1-4 left. Is both cables up?
Both cables are up.
Thank you, Wyote. Noble 4-2, Fresno's going to be Lemoore's landing runway 1-4 left. Expect a 1-4 left arrestment. The cable is about 1,700 feet from threshold. Jury 1-1's going to escort. Do you have him?
Noble 4-2 copies, 1-4 left, affirm. I am visual, Jury.
Right, Jury 1-1, Noble has you in sight. Can you escort him to 1-4 left, please? I'll coordinate with Lemoore.
Affirm, Moscow.
Lemoore, North Fresno. VFR handoff, flight of 3 emergency inbound.
Hey, radar contact, man.
All right, yes, Jury 1-1, flight of 2, Noble 4-2 and Chase. He's coming to you. What frequency you want him on? You want him on departure or approach?
26902.
Thank you.
Michael.
Wait. Noble 4-2, contact Lemoore, approach 269.025. Jury 1-1, contact approach as well.
Noble 269.05.